Hi guys, look what I have. Easter decoration. We're gonna push some grass into this giant bunny holder. We can open it from here and start filling the grass in it.
Okay, you start.
Open it. Open the grass. Take a little bit. Get my stick. Push it in. I'll hold it so it doesn't fall. Push, push, push. I'm gonna insert pom-poms, yellow and white to the ears. Now to put the white one to the ear.
Is it? Good.
Yes, it is. Now the yellow.
Go, go, go. Can you show it to us? Can you turn it other way and show us how it is going? I can help you with this part.
My mom helped me insert the pom-poms for the head and the ears.
And we added blue pom-pom for the eye. Now let's continue.
I'll start to put some bunnies in the chocolate eggs. I insert one bunny, two chocolate carrots. Now the last bunny. Time to close it back. It's all done. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Bye.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.